Dito ka sa likod ko.
Maganda nga dito. Say hi! Careful now with my camera.
No. Hi.
Say. Parang yung binayaran mo yung coffee, tas free siya.
Are we included?
With any purchase. Oh, tingnan mo, meron, we are included here. That matcha? You have Wi-Fi here? Nasaan na yung crookie mo?
Ano ba yung order ko na dyan? Kami natawa.
Gusto, hindi naman siya nakakabusog. Parang bula.
Ang lamang. To have some coffee inside.
Okay.
Okay.
For your information, if you didn't get stamp, 200 on check.
Ano ba yan? We're here!
You have any idea how much?
165 dirhams.
Even inside.
Khalifa! Parang ang sarap ng cookies nila.
Yes.
Uy, tsaka mura lang 21.
Nice ka.
Masarap yung ano.
O, di nagkailaw ka pa.
Let's go!
Yes, so the Kiana, hi! Over there, ma'am! Apple, Nadine, cute Nadine. Have your friend. Thank you.
Tapos yung talaga ako, no?
Dito ka sa likod ko! Dito ka! Diyan ka ka pa sa dulo. Waki, mas nakakatakot to kasi kita mo yung shake salad. Bebe, paano?
Asa ka sa tenga?
Hala. Pa-slide pa more. Pa-slide.
Oh my God, ang taas.
Ay, sorry. Hawak tayo, hawak. Uy, ang ganda. Parang mas maganda kasi ang view mo, Burj Khalifa. Kesa nandun ka sa mismong Burj Khalifa.
Kasi si Butch kita mo.
Tsaka... Ay! Nakakatakot pala talaga siya. Hala, nakakatakot pala talaga siya. Uy!
Uy, teka na. Ito, maghanap siya.
Ay! Si Jill, kaya 59. Ano siya, di nakakatakot siya. What?
No camera here.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. If you want a photo video, only up here.
Ah, okay. But we can bring... Ay!
Yes, sir.
See, my God, it's only one glass, no?
Hello, baby.
Hello.
Hi.
Are you ready for the slide?
No, I don't know if I want to slide. Wait.
Just check.
Yeah.
Can we check first? Is it safe?
Can I just take photo here and then not slide? Kaya mo ba? Tingnan mo.
Wala, nahulog siya.
Ikaw na.
Ano?
It's not scary.
Oo, sige, mauna ka na.
Straight slide.
Huh?
Simple slide. Because
Even the phone, I cannot carry.
give me your phone, I'll take video for you from here.
Okay.
Oh, record na yun, ha? Check it.
I'm really scared of heights. Oh my gosh. Kuya. And this one again? Yeah? Oh, Kuya, wait! I think I cannot. Wait. Wait. Kuya, I think I cannot. Wait, don't push me, ah. Don't push me, I can feel. No. Don't push, I can feel you pushing me. Oh my gosh, it is really scary. Wait. I'm really scared of heights. Because it's too slow, huh? Wait, I think it's scary.
No, that might get you.
Yeah, the battery catch. Oh, may video mo ka ba?
Yeah, ako. I close my eyes. I can close my eyes. Oh my god.
Just hold the match.
Oh my god, I cannot.
Bye.
Oh my god!
Okay.
I'll wait for her. Basta don't push me, brother.
Wait lang, may nagre-record ba to?
Uy, kaya ko ba?
Kaya mo, pikit mo lang, pumikit lang ako. Okay, wait.
Uy, hindi ko kaya.
Di ba? Ako nagulat lang ako nung sabi smile! Sabi ko,
Kasi kala ko babalik na din ako kasi gumanon ka eh.
bumaliktad ako kasi yung bag ko.
Ako kasi gumanon ako kasi para yung pressure bago hindi ako mantika. Okay, sigaw. Yung sigaw ko malakas ba?
Oo, grabe. So guys, ayan, natapos na kami. And at least, bebeli ka dito. At least na-experience namin. And magandang experience siya.
Oh, tagal po. Dahil ba pinindot mo? Album dapat, di ba?
Kunin mo na lahat. Wala naman.
Sige, ako na naman.